Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Home Group Realty. Welcome to 2 Watt Street in Guelph. This 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom detached home features a legal bachelor apartment in the basement. As you'll see from the overhead, it rests on a massive corner lot with a large backyard in a prime East End location. Let's go take a look inside. As you walk in the front door, you will immediately see how much the owners have updated and cared for this home. The front foyer leads through to the beautifully updated kitchen, which was just renovated in December of last year. It features beautiful custom cabinetry, a quartz countertop, and brand new appliances that were just installed this month. The bright, spacious living room and dining area provides the perfect amount of space for a large kitchen table and plenty of room for comfortable family living. The main floor also offers the convenience of a 2-piece powder room, which was just installed in 2017. Heading upstairs, the upper level offers 2 large bedrooms and a 4-piece main bathroom. Both bedrooms have enough space to be principal bedrooms, and the second bedroom is big enough for 2 beds if needed. The main bathroom offers a double sink vanity after receiving a refresh and upgrade in 2021. As we head downstairs, you will appreciate that the basement is one of the many highlights of this home. It features a separate side entrance that leads down to a legal bachelor apartment that was just renovated in 2019. It's the perfect apartment suite with plenty of space for the kitchenette, bed, closet, and desk or TV area. This suite also offers storage space and is a great place for a tenant to live comfortably and help pay for a good portion of the mortgage. Heading back outside, you'll surely appreciate the size of this backyard. It offers over 52 feet of width, providing more than enough space for your kids and pets to run around and play. It's fully fenced and offers plenty of privacy with its tall evergreens. This yard and home are absolutely phenomenal and have too many features and recent upgrades to mention. And the neighborhood is also outstanding. It's just a quick walk over to Peter Misersky Park and the Grange Road Plaza. It's also a couple minutes away from the Victoria Road Rec Center and is within a great school district and a wonderful family-friendly neighborhood. As you can see, this home has plenty to offer and it's ready for its new owners to just move in and enjoy. Give me a call today for your own private viewing. I look forward to hearing from you.